Blockchain meaning, what exactly are blockchain currencies? What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digitally distributed, decentralized, public ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions online. Blockchain is a record-keeping technology designed to make it impossible to hack the system or forge the data stored on it, thereby making it secure and immutable. It is a type of distributed ledger technology, DLT, a digital system for recording transactions and related data in multiple places at the same time. Each computer in a blockchain network maintains a copy of the ledger to prevent a single point of failure, and all copies are updated and validated simultaneously. Blockchain is also considered a type of database but differs substantially from conventional databases in how it stores and manages information. Instead of storing data in rows, columns, tables and files as traditional databases do, blockchain stores data in blocks that are digitally chained together. In addition, a blockchain is a decentralized database managed by computers belonging to a peer-to-peer network instead of a central computer like in traditional databases. The cryptocurrency Bitcoin, launched in 2009, was the first popular application to successfully use blockchain. As a result, blockchain has been most often associated with Bitcoin and alternatives such as Dogecoin and Bitcoin Cash. How blockchain and distributed ledger technology work. Blockchain works via a multi-step process, which in simple terms happens as follows. An authorized participant inputs a transaction, which must be authenticated by the technology. That action creates a block that represents that specific transaction or data. The block is sent to every computer node in the network. Authorized nodes verify the transaction and add the block to the existing blockchain. Nodes in public blockchain networks are referred to as miners. They're typically paid for this task, often in a process called proof of work, or POW, usually in the form of cryptocurrency. The update is distributed across the network, which finalizes the transaction. A blockchain ledger consists of two types of records, individual transactions and blocks. The first block consists of a header and data that pertain to transactions taking place within a set time period. The block's timestamp is used to help create an alphanumeric string called a hash. After the first block has been created, each subsequent block in the ledger uses the previous block's hash to calculate its own hash. Before a new block can be added to the chain, its authenticity must be verified by a computational process called validation or consensus. At this point in the blockchain process, a majority of nodes in the network must agree the new block's hash has been calculated correctly. Consensus ensures that all copies of the blockchain distributed ledger share the same state. Once a block has been added, it can be referenced in subsequent blocks, but it cannot be changed. If someone attempts to swap out a block, the hashes for previous and subsequent blocks will also change and disrupt the ledger's shared state. When consensus is no longer possible, other computers in the network are aware that a problem has occurred and no new blocks will be added to the chain until the problem is solved.